Hello there everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Raj of Snappy, but you can call me Raja because this is my nickname. Today I'm going to give a presentation topic is about journey with flowing English. So the further the let's get started. My journey begins a few months ago when I first came here. I could not understand English properly and I was shy and afraid to speak. But day by day I started learning and improving. Here I learned public speaking, tongue twister, everyday English, grammar, real life conversation. My teachers are very friendly and helpful. They always encourage me to speak with confidence. Tongue twister is my favorite activities because it make my pronunciations clear and stronger. I believe that after I complete level 2 and level 3, I become a fluent English speaker. I am very excited to start the next level. Well, that's all about my presentation. Hope you like my presentation. Next time I will be back with another presentation. Till the tata for now.